Tom, this restaurant looks so romantic.
I'm glad you like it, Anna.
I can smell something delicious already.
That's the fresh pasta cooking inside.
I'm so hungry. Let's go in.
After you, the door is open.
Tom, what is this book called?
That is the menu.
So the menu shows all the food?
Yes, and the prices too.
There are so many choices.
Take your time, no hurry at all.
Tom, I don't know these words.
Which word is confusing you?
What is an appetizer?
An appetizer is a small dish first.
Like a starter before the main food?
Exactly right. You're learning so fast.
So we eat the appetizer first?
Yes, then the main course after.
And dessert comes at the very end?
That's the perfect order. Yes.
I want to try all three.
Then let's order all three. Ha!
Excuse me, can we order now?
Yes, please, we are ready.
I would like the tomato soup, please.
And I would like the bruschetta.
What do you recommend for the main?
The pasta here is truly excellent.
What does recommend mean exactly?
Recommend means to suggest something good.
So you recommend the pasta to me?
Yes, I strongly recommend the carbonara.
Then I would like the carbonara, please.
Great choice. You will love it.
Excuse me, what is in the carbonara?
It has pasta, egg, cheese, and bacon.
Is it very heavy to eat?
It's rich, but not too heavy.
Does it have a lot of cream?
Traditional carbonara has no cream at all.
So each dish has different ingredients?
Yes, ingredients are what's inside the food.
The carbonara ingredients sound delicious.
Italian ingredients are always very fresh.
Fresh ingredients make the best food.
Now you sound like a real chef.
Tom, I love the atmosphere here.
Me too. Feels warm and cozy.
The candles on the table are beautiful.
Italian restaurants always feel like this.
I could stay here all evening.
Maybe we will. No rush tonight.
Oh, the food looks amazing.
It smells even better than it looks.
My soup is so beautiful to see.
And my bruschetta looks very fresh.
Should we take a photo first?
Of course, the food won't run away.
Tom, this soup is delicious.
Delicious means it tastes really good.
Yes, delicious is the perfect word.
Try saying it again.
This soup is absolutely delicious.
Now that is a proper compliment.
The carbonara looks incredible.
The portion is very generous too.
What does generous mean?
Generous means a lot, more than expected.
Then this is a very generous plate.
Enjoy every bite, Anna.
Tom, how do I compliment the chef?
You can say, "This is wonderful."
Or can I say, this is amazing?
Both are perfect. Try both.
This pasta is wonderful and amazing.
The chef would be very happy.
How do we pay at the end?
We ask for the bill.
What is the bill exactly?
The bill is the paper showing the total cost.
In some countries, they say check.
Yes, bill and check mean the same.
Tom, I want to try the tiramisu.
Excellent choice. Tiramisu is from Italy.
Can I have the tiramisu, please?
And one espresso for me, please.
What is an espresso?
It's a small but very strong coffee.
Is espresso different from normal coffee?
Yes, it's much smaller and stronger.
One tiny cup of strong coffee?
Exactly. Italians drink it very fast.
Fast coffee sounds very funny to me.
Everything in Italy has its own style.
Oh, the tiramisu looks like a dream.
Tiramisu means pick me up in Italian.
Really? What a wonderful name.
Coffee and cream together pick you up.
One bite, and I understand completely.
Food tells a story better than words.
Tom, I would like to pay my share.
No, Anna, tonight is my treat.
Are you sure? That's very kind.
You can treat me next time.
Then next time is absolutely my treat.
It's a deal. Excuse me. The bill, please.
That was the best meal of my life.
I'm really glad you enjoyed it.
The food, the candles, the atmosphere.
Italy knows how to make people happy.
I want to come back here tomorrow.
Let's finish exploring the city first. Ha!
Tom, thank you for tonight.
It was my pleasure, truly.
I will remember this dinner forever.
Good food stays in the heart.
And good company makes it better.
Always, Anna. Always.